Welcome to the inaugural Celtic World Forum, which will be hosted here in the beautiful Irish Institute of Music and Song. Our three-day event will consist of talks, panels, workshops and performances. This is the square where we'll be hosting our talks for the forum. We'll have amazing speakers talking you through the origins of Celtic music, the Irish language, Irish instrumentation, Irish mythology and storytelling, and everything in between. We'll have experts in their field coming in to speak to you about their Irish musical instruments, so pipes, whistles, and bodhrán and Irish percussion. And I'm definitely going to be sitting in on the bodhrán one because I have a lot to learn. This is the beautiful outdoor amphitheatre here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song, where we're really looking forward to hosting our song circle each evening, where you can sit back, relax and listen to some amazing acoustic performances. And if you feel like doing so, you can even get up and sing a song yourself. As part of the Celtic World Forum, we will be hosting a series of 3 concerts at the brand new Lark Concert Hall here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song, featuring the best of Celtic talent. The Irish Institute of Music and Song is full of amazing, quirky outdoor spaces where you can sit back and relax and enjoy the music. And this iconic outdoor guitar feature is just one of them. Situated on site is the beautiful Lala restaurant, where breakfast, lunch and dinner will be available each day. We look forward to seeing some of you here this summer at the inaugural Celtic World Forum here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song. This has been a big dream for a long time, and it's something that we've planned meticulously to make sure that you get to learn from, speak to and listen to the best of Celtic music talent. It's something that personally I've been so passionate about for years, and I didn't want to do it until it was in the right place at the right time, and this truly is it. A little nook on the coastline in Dublin, and I know that you guys are going to absolutely love it too. So I can't wait to see you this summer. Slán.